patent for this. But somebody else come and say a cylindrical shaped article made up of plastic, made up of clay, right, has no handle. Whether he is infringing your patent or not. No. Right? That means without handle he can use that cup. Right? So somewhere or the other you got stuck. So while claiming, if I say, now I am modified version, a cylindrical article or made up of clay, plastic, whatever, with or without handle. With or without handle, right? So this is what I have got the right. Now somebody comes and say, again, a clay, this thing, without handle. That means he falls in our patent. So that care we have to take, before filing the patent or disclosing anything. Now if you consider this as a cup, as I said, this can be patented. Okay, now this has a handle, right? You can have 3 handles, right? 3 handles and you can say this as a trademark, right? You can copyright this, right? And you can file design also for this particular shape. A cup with 3 handles, 4 handles, 5 handles, whatever. So a normal cup has everything, what I wanted to say. Pages information, right? But out of those 200, you have to dig out the information and put appropriate thing under appropriate heading, and that is how you have to file a patent. You just cannot, take your thesis of, 200 pages, 100 pages, 50 pages and, file a patent. No. It has to be in the structured way only. And if you have not done that, probably examiner will ask you to put in this only, then only he will proceed further. So, by hook and crook, you have to use these headings and you have to put particular information under each heading. Right. So, what is the claim, summary, detailed description, everything has to be there. Then only government is ready to grant you patent. You come, you disclose. If you are not ready to disclose, we are not ready to grant you. You come, you disclose, you take monopoly. It's give and take. What is patent? Patent is you disclose it to the government that this is my information, this is my invention. Okay, government says, okay, you have given me, you take 20 years monopoly. After that 20 years, it is in the public domain. So further research has to take place. See, the basic motto of patenting is what? Patent क्यों करना है? Why government thinks कि लोगों को patent देना चाहिए? The basic motto is whatever idea you have, वो आपके साथ चला न जाए. You come forward, you disclose it, take limited monopoly of 20 years. But after that, research has to go on whatever you have done. आपने जो डेवलप किया है उसके ऊपर और कुछ होना चाहिए. So otherwise, your idea will go with you only. So when you are getting 20 years monopoly, probably you think, let's go file a patent, take 20 years, right? It's give and take. So why patent? Why national governments of different countries think patent is important? Because they want something from you, from general public. Come forward. Out of here, say 100,